At the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create, to market, and to launch your course successfully. All right. So you want to launch your own digital course and you don't know how to start. Today, I'm going to teach you 4 simple steps to launch your own digital course. Now, a lot of us know that digital courses are an amazing way to make money off of the internet these days. Like sharing your experience and getting paid for it. It's amazing, right? Today, I'm going to teach you 4 different steps, simple steps, right, to help you launch your own digital course this month, right? So if you've been sitting on that idea for a long time, it's time to take action. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create, to market, and to launch your course successfully. All right, so let's dive in. Now, imagine this. You wake up in the morning, you check your phone and see sales rolling in from a course you created. Now, one thing I like about my digital printable items and my courses is that I just wake up and then I'm getting notifications of the money coming in. And it's just something you already created. Like, you don't have to create it new for every sale. It is just a one and done thing. So it's an amazing thing to see, right? So it's totally doable, and it's doable faster than you think. Now, I'm breaking it down into 4 simple steps to help you launch your course before the end of the month. All right, are you ready? All right, let's go. The first thing to do is to define your course idea. What is this course about? What do you want to teach about? Okay, what is your course going to be about? What are you passionate about? What do you think you can teach easily? What do people frequently ask you to help them with? For example, I'm passionate about helping stay-at-home moms make money. And a lot of people always ask me, Toby, how do you make money? You're staying at home and all of that. How do you generate income? And that led to me building my courses, right? Now, here's a tip. Choose something specific and actionable, right? For example, instead of how to bake, choose how to master French pastries in 30 days. Now, you want to take that thing into ChatGPT to help you. You're going to ask ChatGPT to help you develop course titles for that idea, right? That's the first step. Now, the second step is going to blow your mind. The second step is you're going to put it up for sale. Remember, you've not even created the course yet, but you've put it up for sale. You've told people you're going to ask ChatGPT to tell you the things that you can offer in this course. And so that way you're telling people, this is what you're going to learn. You're going to learn how to bake French pastries in 30 days. You're going to master this in 30 days and all of that. So you're going to sell that course. And that will be the number 2. All right. And what this does is it helps you help you gauge if your viewers are interested in this kind of course, right? Now, the next thing will be to outline your course, the course content, right? Now, you want to break it into modules and lessons. I've told you before, ChatGPT can help you do that. It's going to help you break it into modules and lessons. So think about what your audience need to know first and second. Do you understand? For example, here's a quick framework for you. Introduction, right? You set the stage and share the transformation they'll achieve. So you're telling people this is a transformation you will achieve and all of that. Then the next one is the core lessons. You break down your topic into, oh, hi, good morning. Good morning. So break down your topic step by step. All right. And ChatGPT can help you break all of this down. So you go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give you a framework for your course. Right now, the bonus, you can add bonuses to it, add extra value like worksheets. Actually, I always encourage you to add worksheets, templates, Q&A sessions, and all of that. Now, you keep your content concise and engaging. You do not have to fill it up, like add a lot of things to it. You have to keep it like concise and engaging. Because people love short courses rather than the extremely long ones. Short courses that are actionable and they can use. All right. Now, step 3 will be choose your platform. Choose a platform like Gumroad, like Stanstore, like Beacons. Now that your content is ready, all you need to do now is choose a platform to host your course, right? For example, I love Standstore because Standstore helps you host your courses. I love Beacons. And I'm going to be doing a comparison with Standstore and Beacons, maybe in my next video or sometime soon. Gumroad as well. Now you host your course. You pick the one that fits your budget and technical skills, right? If you're just starting and you don't have money to host yet, Gumroad is an amazing option. Like, it's user friendly, it's affordable. There's no monthly option. There's no monthly payment. However, they take 10% of all your sales. Then Standstore is amazing, and Beacons as well. Now, start to market your course. That is the step 4. Start to market it. After, the second step I told you is that you need to let your viewers know and tell them you're selling it and all of that. Now start to market it. Use Instagram stories, YouTube, use your YouTube content to promote your courses, right? Do like some free mini courses, right? To drive sales into your course, right? Use social media. Email list. Like I've told you before, once you start your channel, you have to have a lead magnet. So once you have the lead magnet, now that you're selling your courses, you have people to email those courses as courses to. It is an amazing way to sell your courses, and people will purchase it. Okay. Now, these 4 steps will help you launch your digital course. Like I told you guys, I launched my first digital course in, I think, 2 weeks. I put it out for sale, and 4 or 3 people had bought it at $200 each before I even created the first video of that course. Okay, so that is what you need to do. And with these 4 steps, you'll be well on your way to creating the course. Guys, I'm changing my look again. I'm perming my hair, and I'm excited for how it's going to turn out. If you need help setting up that digital course, head to the link in the description box and in the comment section, where I'm going to walk you through setting up not only your digital course, but an online digital store marketplace for you. When you sign up for that, I'm going to walk you through setting up your digital course. I'm going to walk you through setting up your online store for your digital products. I'm going to walk you through listing the digital products, and I'm going to help you create at least 5 of those. All right. So if that's something you need, head over to the comment section and click on the link in the pinned comment. Anyway, guys, if this video has been helpful to you, kindly hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.